To see if your steering wheel is worn out, what you can do is move the steering wheel to notice any play and pay attention to the wheels. Here we're going to look at a car that has only just over 4,000 miles. This is practically a brand new car. As you unlock the steering column, here you can see there is barely any play. Now we're moving the front wheels, and you don't want to do that. You just want to check for the plate before the front wheels move. Next we're going to look at a BMW. This one has 110,000 miles on it, and if you just move the steering wheel lightly, you can see that is the play that this steering wheel has, and that's also normal and acceptable. Right there. Next we're going to look at another vehicle with about 90,000 miles. Here we have a bad steering rack, and you can see how much play we have on the steering wheel. Right there, the steering wheel is moving freely, but our front wheels are not moving at all, and this is excessive steering play, and this can be caused by a bad steering rack.